Okay, guys, we're on to the next step now. This is how to write a great application post for Connect Live 2020. And this will actually help you to make sure the article you write is covering the key requirements. So, the basic requirements this year are two prompts for you to choose from to cover. What's the most interesting thing you've done as a local guide, or what does the local guides program mean to you? So you need to use one of these prompts and make an article with an interesting title. It needs to be a substantial story, meaning not too short. It needs to be in English, and you need to share those details. So instead of just writing that the program means being the top 1% of you need to be explaining that for you. Include at least one great photo and set the local stories topic. So how this works is you actually go on to Google Connect, local guides connect, and if I bring you to that here, and then this on the left hand side of the menu, you can actually select, if you have created it, a local stories option, and then you move over to creating a post. So you have to join it first. So if you're not following it, make sure you click follow and start a post. When you click start a post, it'll take you to a blank section where you can write an article to support your application. You make sure to select local stories here. You put your title in there. You can add a photo by selecting insert photo. You basically type out your topic here. I have done this already, and this is my article. So I'm answering the question and saying, being a local guide helped me find the best peaceful spots in town. That's my title. I've added an image there, which I used from my locations that I use to make the lists. And quickly here, you can see I started contributing to Google Maps back in 2018 when I was leading a busy office life. It can be surprising to think you can find peace in a busy city centre. Little did anyone know, Birmingham in the UK has many green spaces and spots to take in nature. I worked on updating and helping local businesses that I enjoyed using on a daily basis. However, when I would come across a hidden gem, I would save it to my lists and make sure I visited on the weekend to take some time out, read a book, or even just take in the sunshine, which we don't get much of in the UK. Here is that list, and if you ever make it to this neck of the woods, make sure to check them out. So that is my article to support my application, and that is your other requirements. So you've made the video, hopefully, you've created the list, and this is the final one to make an article post on the Local Guides Connect. So now you're ready to fill out the application, which will be the next step.